This is Ben, Director of the Insurance Practice at TSG, an Alfresco company. This video is going to review TSG's OpenContent Case interface as leveraged by many large property casualty insurance operators, as well as commercial and health insurance companies. A little background on me. I've been implementing content management solutions for quite some time. I have extensive experience in implementing solutions for large insurance companies that are looking to do more with their documents. So as was recently announced, Alfresco has purchased TSG to bolster their industry knowledge and solutions in various verticals. And TSG's OpenContent Case has been embraced by the insurance industry as a no-code configurable interface to increase processing efficiency. So we're very excited to expand on these products as part of the Alfresco product suite. Our typical insurance client leverages Guidewire or Duck Creek or some other claims policy management system to operate their day-to-day processing and workflow management. And many of these systems include a very simple document management feature for storing and retrieving and viewing documents. But for companies that are looking to do more with their documents, TSG's OpenContent Case is an extension to these systems that we like to call document enables them and transforms the experience for viewing and working with content. Here we can see a typical claim or policy management system like Guidewire with an additional documents link added that allows a user to work with the content for a particular policy or claim. Once clicked, I'm launched directly into the documents for this claim. In the Open Content Management Case view, we can quickly see the claim information, as well as all the documents for this particular claim. I can very easily filter by some predefined facets, or using a quick filter. I can also choose to view different attributes of the document depending on what I'm trying to do with the documents. Another handy view is being able to see the thumbnails if there's lots of images. In this case, we can see the back x-rays very quickly to make sure we pick the right document. When I'm ready to view a document, I can very quickly click on it to see a side-by-side view of the current document as well as any other documents. From here, I can also do a side-by-side view to view multiple documents next to each other. This can include an image, or a video as well. I can also annotate this video at a particular timestamp so future viewers can see where I was looking at it. Another great feature is to allow users to upload documents directly into the claim. In this example, I'll drag and drop in an email. We can see that the email is being imported, but all the attachments are pulled in as well to make sure that we get all of the artifacts correctly into the claim. Another view is the ability to see which documents are annotated, as well as view the annotations from any other users that might already be in the document. In addition to being able to annotate documents, we can also redact. Depending on the use case, sometimes it's just sending out one particular document that allows me to quickly draw boxes over the parts that I would like to redact. In this case, I'm sending this document out to an external party that should not see this individual's information. This document has now been permanently redacted with no way to view the information that's behind it. Another type of redaction is to redact all the information across all the documents inside the claim. We typically see this where we need to redact potentially the policyholder information. In this case, I can dynamically pull in that the policyholder is Donnie Driver. And when I submit, every document in this claim will have a new copy created that's redacted. This is very handy for sending out documents to external parties in order to remove information. Another common use case is to create a demand package, which is a combination of a couple different documents. It's very easy for me in this document list to check a few documents and choose the Combine to PDF action. From here, I can reorder the documents, as well as choose individual page ranges from each one. In this case, the police report includes a bunch of extra pages at the end that I don't want to include. So I can very quickly select just the pages that I want. I can then attribute this document and it's been created in the repository. When we view this demand package that was created, we have a handy index page that allows me to quickly jump to particular parts of the document, as well as bookmarks. We found that this feature alone can save 10 to 15 minutes of manually creating a PDF every time a demand package needs to be created. Another common item is sending out correspondence from the system in order to collect feedback. In this case, we're leveraging SmartComm's CCM platform in order to send out and template emails. This is helpful for templating out I need to request documents and very quickly pulling the template from SmartComm. Here we can see the template of all the email information is already filled out, and I can pick from the list of participants in the claim to quickly send this email. Because the email was generated within the system, this is now a record that when viewing the claim, I can very quickly see this correspondence was sent out. Another feature that saves a lot of time is being able to collect insights about the types of documents in a claim at a very quick glance. In this case, the View Folder Terms action looks through all the content in this claim and looks for specific keywords or phrases that may set off alarm bells. In this case, we can quickly see that vertebrae appears in this document, so I may want to look at it to see if there's a back injury involved. When I view this document, not only does it view the content, but it takes me directly to the place where the word appears. This is just another way that you can be more efficient in finding things in documents. This is just a highlight of a few of the features within OpenContent Case that have allowed our insurance clients to be more effective and efficient with their documents. I lastly wanted to briefly show a few client projects that are currently using OpenContent Case. Here we have a workers' compensation TPA company that is using OpenContent Case for working their large claims that can contain up to 65,000 documents per individual claim. They call them long-tail claims for workers' compensation. Here we have a large property casualty insurer using OpenContent Case for over 17,000 of their claims staff that is working across the entire claims organization and the documents in the claim. This health insurance client is using OpenContent Case in a cloud environment on Azure HD Insight to expose their medical claim records to their members and adjusters. And lastly, this is another health insurer using OpenContent Case and a repository with over 4 billion documents. Well, that's it for this overview of case management for insurance. Stay tuned for more videos highlighting more details of how you can do more with your documents.